what's up. So, that was a bit sketchy. Hey, so what's going on? I'll tell you what's going on with me. Yesterday, didn't do any flying at all. I was helping my friend service his car, so that was something different. And then I spent the afternoon building a Q100. And wow, look, it's a rainbow. Can you see that? It's a rainbow. You know what rainbows mean? Water in the air. I didn't go out to go flying because it was the last part of Storm Brian. So basically it was windy as shit and it was blowing a gale. And today it's meant to have dropped down to 12 mile an hour. So I've got 1 hour left of sunlight, and I'm going to see if we can try and get a couple of packs in. Look, it's a rainbow. Not good, man. It's starting to rain. Not good. But check out that cool rainbow. It goes almost all the way round. It is looking really crappy right now. It's just started raining again. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to abort mission for today. It's just not having it. As much as I want to, that ain't happening. Sorry, peeps. So literally, as I was driving home, the sun has come out. But I've only got 40 minutes left of daylight, so fuck it. I'm going to go up there, see if I can get a pack out. Am I crazy? Most definitely. I'll tell you what, man, it is freezing cold out here. Why do I do this? Why do I do this? Too bloody nice, eh? Just got an addictive personality, innit? So there's probably only about half an hour's worth of daylight left. So we'll see what happens. Sun's going down quick. Wind's picking up. It's bloody cold. That's winter for you though, isn't it? That's how it works. Right, calling it quits. It's getting too dark, I'm getting too cold. Well, that's it for the day. I flew 3 packs and given up because the sunlight is pretty much gone now. Although I through the FPV cam, it looks a lot better, well, a lot lighter than it is actually at the moment. Anyway, I feel like I've although I only flew the 3 packs a day, I felt that I did a lot better than the last time. There's less crashes, tighter proximity flying, more flips and rolls, a bit more aggression in the flying. So I feel that I'm improving. I mean, I don't know. Leave a comment if you think differently. But yeah, I really just want to get as much practice in as possible so I can be as good as I possibly can. When I'm flying, I still feel as though the vehicle is not fully under my control, as though the quad's not fully under my control. You know, it's still sliding around and not going exactly where I want it to go. So I'll just keep working on that. I think that's just a practice thing. So that's it. So I'm glad I didn't give up today, because I was just going to go home, but I managed to pull through, fly a few packs, and I'm happy with the flights that I did, because I didn't crash too bad, and it felt a lot more exciting this time. Anyway, that's all from me, so catch you guys later. Take care.